As lawyers, alam naman natin ang galawan ng mga abogado, no? Marami silang mga paraan sa batas as a legal recourse for their clients. But sinabihan ko na rin talaga sila, really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga.
Medyo may pagkabayolente ang tugon ng ating Vice Presidente, pero we hope that it is just a figure of speech and it should not be taken literally. Kung yan naman po ang nais niya at talaga naman po magkakaroon ng balitaktakan kapag nagkaroon ng trial, hayaan na lang natin po itong gumulong.
Ayon kay House Deputy Majority Leader, Iloilo 3rd District Representative Lawrence Defensor, walang puwang ang ganito sa pamahalaan.
Saying that she wants a bloodbath, that attitude has no place in government. It's a terrible example to the youth who are watching her, and many Filipinos look up to her, idolize her. That's a terrible example